just wanted to see if you knew any kids around like 11 or 12 maybe, because I need some friends, like really bad.
So the house, right? Kids that live there.
Well, they're not my friends anymore because they're bullies to me.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, man.
They keep bullying. Do you have any kids? Oh, okay, that's great. Because I love 2-year-olds. To be honest, they're just like the most cutest things I have ever known. I used to have a 2-year-old sister. She was a handful, but I really enjoyed spending time with her.
Yeah, man, we got this.
Okay.